Is it time to buy or sell Luckin Coffee stock? In this video, we will explore Luckin Coffee in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 13th of August 2025, and now we aim to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You won't want to miss any essential updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Leverage the capabilities of AI and obtain free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 1st of August 2025, our system has ranked Luckin Coffee as a strong buy candidate, assigning it a score of 7. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a gain of 5.01%. This results in an average return of 0.56% per day since it was designated as a strong buy candidate. The stock is positioned within the midst of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating that further increases within this trend are anticipated. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 19.19% over the next 3 months, with a possible return fluctuating between 14.49% and 29.85%. Shifting our focus to the longer term, our 12-month analysis reveals a projected change of 82.72%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between 59.97% and 95.01% over the next year. In today's terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $62.34 and $75.99. Our latest daily update for Luckin Coffee presents the headline, Stronger Technical Forecast for Luckin Coffee Inc. Stock Price After Wednesday Trading. The Luckin Coffee Inc. stock price increased by 2.82% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 13th of August, 2025. The price rose from $37.90 to $38.97. On that day, the stock experienced a fluctuation of 4.17%, with a low of $37.43 and a high of $38.99. The price has risen on 7 out of the last 10 days, and has increased by 1.86% over the past 2 weeks. Additionally, trading volume rose on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator. With 291,000 more shares traded compared to the previous day, in total, 692,000 shares changed hands for approximately $26,980,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $40.68, while the lowest was $18.43. Currently, the price is 4.2%, or $1.71, below the 52-week high, and 24.15%, or $12.41, below the all-time high reached on the 17th of January, 2020, when the price hit $51.38. Luckin Coffee, ticker LKNCY, is grabbing headlines this summer as it expands internationally while increasing its product offerings and store count domestically. In late June and July of 2025, the chain opened its first locations in the United States, specifically in New York, introduced more than 119 new drinks, and now reports over 24,000 stores across China and Southeast Asia, with a company goal of approximately 32,000 by the end of the year. Management held its second quarter earnings call at the end of July, and the stock has already experienced a strong technical run, reaching a July high around $37 and trading well above last year's lows. In the short term, this combination of aggressive expansion, new product offerings, and positive momentum can fuel investor enthusiasm and volatility. Positive trends in same-store sales or promising profit margins could drive the stock price up, while challenges in the U.S. market, increased opening costs, or renewed price competition could lead to swift declines. Over the long term, Luckin's scale, digital-first business model, long-term supply contracts, and capital-efficient franchise growth could sustainably enhance revenues and profit margins if governance and profitability continue to improve. However, the company must demonstrate reliable cash flow and defend its market share against established competitors to justify a higher valuation. Analysts have assigned a general buy rating to Luckin Coffee stock. They view the price-to-earnings ratio as buy and consider the price-to-book ratio as buy as well. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Luckin Coffee. The Luckin Coffee Inc. stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, a general buy signal arises from the relationship between the two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. On any downward corrections, there will be support from the lines at $38.09 and $37.62. A drop below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Furthermore, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume is rising alongside the price, which is regarded as a favorable technical signal. However, some negative signals have also been issued, potentially influencing near-term developments. A sell signal was identified from a pivot top point on Wednesday, July 9, 2025, and thus far, the stock has decreased by 1.84%. Further declines are indicated until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence, a buy signal. Pivots, a sell signal occurred 26 days ago. Bollinger, a buy signal was noted 26 days ago. The short-term moving average, a buy signal appeared 2 days ago. The long-term moving average, a sell signal was recorded 11 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 52 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average, a buy signal was detected 9 days ago. The long-term moving average, a sell signal was noted 87 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 218 days ago. For more signals, please visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Luckin Coffee. Luckin Coffee Incorporated finds support from accumulated volume at $38.26. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is expected when this support is tested. This stock typically trades at a healthy volume, and with minor daily fluctuations, the associated risk is considered low. Over the last day, the stock experienced a movement of $1.56, representing a 4.17% change between its high and low. For the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 2.51%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Luckin Coffee, let's take a moment to review some key fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio may indicate either a subdued outlook for the company's future or that the stock is undervalued, suggesting a possible buying opportunity. Additionally, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 29th of October, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Luckin Coffee. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Luckin Coffee is at $39. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this level may present an opportunity for swing trading. On the downside, Luckin Coffee meets its first support level at $38.26. If this support level holds, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $37.43, reflecting a decrease of 3.94%. This stock exhibits low daily fluctuations, which contributes to a reduced risk profile. Additionally, there is a sell signal identified from a pivot top discovered 25 days ago. Is Luckin Coffee stock a good buy? Luckin Coffee Incorporated holds several positive signals and is within a strong rising trend. As the old saying goes, let the trend be your friend. We therefore consider it to be a good choice at these current levels and expect further gains over the next 3 months. Our analysis conclusion for this stock has been upgraded since the last evaluation, moving from a buy to a strong buy candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 14th of August, we anticipate that Luckin Coffee will open lower by 507 0.007 of a dollar, starting trading at $38.46. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree and take responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.